As a drummer, do you even know what a feel is? Do you know what a feel is meant to do? I'm here to address those drummers that just think everything is about feeling, soloing. We call them Phillips and Solomons. Okay, that's on a lighter note. Hello guys, how you doing? You're welcome. This is Mandul Johnson, and I'm just here to tell you something very quickly. You're welcome to Music and Tea. This is Honest Conversations, and today we'll be talking about drummers. But before we go further, please remember to like this video, remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, what is the role of the drummer? It's basic: keeping rhythm, time, keeping the rhythm. As a drummer in a band, now I'm talking about when a band play worship setting, a church worship setting, right? That is what I am talking about. As the drummer, I don't think your main aim is to support and is to hold the music, give us a foundation for everything we're doing as a band. Now, I've seen instances where drummers turn the whole worship session into a solo session or something like that. I think that is very, very wrong. You're supposed to be a part of the whole, maintain the groove, give us a solid foundation for the music to build upon. I have seen times when drummers just go on feeling left, right and center. I think every drummer should know when to feel, having good knowledge about feels and transitions. And well, basically, as a drummer, do you even know what a feel is? Do you know what a feel is meant to do? When I say feel, I mean those rules. So those feels, do you know what they are meant for? I think it's very important to know the aim, the purpose of a thing. It's said, if the purpose of a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. So if you know the purpose of a drum feel, then you will know when and how to use it. So please find out why you need feels, transitions. Basically, your feel is to help us take us to another segment of the song. So we're in the chorus and we're going to the verse. Then a feel will give us passage, gives us the feeling, lets us know that, okay, we're changing from one place to another, we're moving from one place to another, and that's fine. So please know when to put your feels. Now, one very top secret, one very important secret I'm going to tell you in learning these things will be just listen to great songs. Listen to great songs. Okay, let's say listen to likes of Marvin Sapp, William McDowell, Mark Reynolds, Ty Tribbett. You see that in the music, drummers don't feel randomly or anyhow. Listen to great songs and you will have something to hold on to. Well, I hope nobody is offended. Please make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this with somebody, that noisy drummer that you know. Share this video with them. Cheers and have a beautiful day. Thank you.